Hi, this is Tony Cook, and this is What's in the Box. And what's in the box today, this could be one of the neatest unboxings of the year. And I know it's early in 2024 to be saying that, but this is PIKO's Krauss-Maffei diesel hydraulic and HO scale. This is in their expert line. This is from PIKO America. This is new tooling, first release for this. Southern Pacific and Rio Grande owned these. They arrived in 1961 in the US. They were imported from Germany, and this was a test for a higher horsepower diesel hydraulic. That it had some merits. They had problems with them. There's a great book by Robert Zenk that I highly recommend to find out more about the prototypes. Let's go ahead with the unboxing here. They do come in a clamshell, plastic wrap film on top, and they look like they're attached to a base, but actually not. They're just sitting on the base there. Spectacular looking. This is an amazing piece. Lots of separately applied details. This is the standard DC version. The DCC sound equipped versions are right behind these. More will be coming out soon. Southern Pacific is in this first run, and the light package and the details match the as delivered SP look, and numbers 9000 through 9002. There were 3 of them total are in this production. Also included is an extra set of axles with traction tires. Although as heavy as this is, I can't wait to get this on the track and see how it performs. I don't know that you would need traction tires, but we'll see when we see how it performs. Inside the box, and this is their tray system with, if you've had any of PIKO's things before. And here is a guide, little color brochure on PIKO items, and cool and exploded parts diagram. Eager to look all this stuff over. But that's it. That's what's in the box of the new PIKO Krauss-Maffei diesel hydraulic Southern Pacific HO-scale diesel hydraulic locomotive, I should say. And thanks for watching today.